Well, hello, I'm Scott Francis with PFU America. We're a Ricoh company. We're excited to be at InfoComm 2025. Today I want to introduce our new UHL3660 projector. We're excited. It was awarded the Best of Show award by Projector Central. This is the ultimate ultra short throw projector. Here at InfoComm, we've got some very bright lights, but yet our ultra short throw projector has an amazing screen. We can produce a 4K image through a four-way conversion. So we get a great 4K image and we produce 6,500 NC lumens to produce an amazing screen. Today we've got a 100-inch screen, but we can go up to 160 inches at just 14.8 inches away from the screen. So this is great for small conference rooms or any venue where you need a large, crystal clear, very bright screen. You can learn more at ricohprojectors.com. Thank you very much.